Hey guys, welcome back to another live stream. We are so back after the Ratty storm. We took over the goddamn internet with that, man. I mean, so happy with how Ratty is going, and in this live stream we're gonna basically work on some of the features and just chat and just chill. I don't know, but just happy to be back and doing another live stream. It just takes more energy to do these things these days because yeah, I'm in the process of transitioning to a new life. Check out my blog if you're curious. All right, so I will basically announce this live stream on social media first, and then we're gonna go ahead and start doing some actual work on the terminal. So yeah, give me a second. Let me set up my stuff first. I will first of all fix my video because I was using this while recording the Ratty video. Now it's a bit like off the screen, but yeah, guys, welcome to the stream. By the way, if you're watching this right now, feel free to use the chat, say hi. I don't know, just chill, okay? Okay, it's looking fine. So let's run Ratty now. Oh man, it's the cursor, man. The cursor is the shit, man. The cursor is the shit. Okay, so I will basically run one of the examples. Let's run example big rats. And let's maybe have it like this. I'm just preparing this for the thumbnail, by the way. Just for the thumbnail. Okay, let me take a screenshot. 1 second. Okay, that was a screenshot. All right, let's post this. I'm live on YouTube, working on Ratty. Come join and chat. Okay, that's the screenshot. Let's put a mouse emoji here. It's gonna be the live stream link. Rustlang, Ratatui, Ratty, live stream. Let's put a link to Ratty too. Okay, rats, play emoji, play button. Okay, there we go. Working on my 3D terminal emulator. Working on Ratty terminal. Yeah, that's good. Why is this all okay? That's good. I'm gonna just post it like that. All right. post it on here as well. Blue Sky and LinkedIn too. Guys, you're just seeing behind the scenes of what I do to announce these things, okay? Nowadays it's just like copy and pasting a bunch of the same things on different platforms, because yeah, the social media is very fragmented. So yeah, I'm gonna try to paste it here. Post. Hey Orhun, do you accept donations through GitHub? People want to support Ratty. Absolutely, I have my GitHub sponsors. 1 second. 1 second. Hello Francisco, welcome to the live stream. How's it going, man? Okay, let me just post this. Go back here. So if you want to support me, you see your book. Yeah, it's in the background, man. it's in the background, of course. Thanks for the book, by the way. It's part of my whole setup now. Yeah, thanks a lot once again. By the way, Francisco is written the Rust programming handbook, guys. Check it out. Check it out. I don't have a crypto wallet. You can just use GitHub sponsors. I do have a crypto wallet, but I don't prefer that. So yeah, guys. So let's get to cooking. Let's get to cooking. All right. So this is Ratty. As you can see, it's a funky ass terminal. All right. Oh my god. So what are we gonna do today? I have a couple of issues that I want to work on. The first one is basically so there's this game that was developed using Ratty. Oops, wait, it's now loading. Demo. Okay, there you go. So this is basically using Ratty. Oh my god, I just want to show you something and it's just like not loading. Maybe I can just run it. I can probably just run it. Yeah, so there you go. So this is basically a temple run type of game where you have this rat running and there's like some obstacles and you just kind of like try to dodge them or jump above them, or just, you know, you're just, I don't know, some stuff like that. And in this game there's this rat model, but the thing is, right now with this Ratty graphics protocol, if we go, actually let me just run everything in Ratty, right? Because that's my terminal emulator. Why am I not using that while developing this? So let's go to here. Yeah, so the problem here, or the lacking thing that is here, is that you cannot rotate the object. So this thing is always looking upwards, or you cannot like rotate it around. So yeah, that's an issue. That's a limitation in the graphics protocol. So the goal today here is extend this protocol and support different placements, such as make it face towards this coordinate, or rotate it like this, or animate it, or some stuff like that. Because right now, if you run one of the demos, you will most likely realize that don't know why this is not working, by the way. Maybe I need to run like that. I don't know. Oh, I'm in Zellige. That's probably why. Okay, I need to. That kind of sucks actually. Okay, let me run this again. Go to widget and run it here. So if you run one of the examples right now, you will realize toggling the animation is just gonna toggle the whole animation, which is just spin and just like spinning randomly. So you cannot like spin it based on what you want to do. Like you cannot spin it in another way. The animation is just static. So yeah, we want to be able to say, hey, I want to like spin it like that or spin it the other way or stuff like this. So yeah, that's the idea. And there's actually an issue about this here. Yeah, better animation control over RGB objects. So yeah, I'm basically gonna implement that now, or maybe Codex will implement it for me and we're gonna take a look. But yeah, we're gonna implement it. Crypto community made a token about Ratty terminal. Okay, I don't. Yeah, okay. How are you doing? Thank you, I'm doing fine. How about you? Mr. CJQNSLXUCM. I cannot believe I just spelled out your whole name. You should be having a 3D Ratty tattoo after this project is completed, mate. I am tempted. Not gonna lie. I am tempted. Now that you said that. Hello, Matthias. Welcome. How's it going, man? Looks sick. It's a bot scam. It's not a scam. I don't, guys, don't bring scams into my chat. Thank you. Where's my moderator, actually? Where's my moderators? I don't have moderators in the stream anymore. Okay, so you look fresh, dude. I don't know. I've been grinding. I've been thinking about rats. I've been thinking about cheese a lot these days. So lot of cheesy stuff. A lot of cheesy stuff happening. All right, so how can we approach this? So basically right now, the animation, enabling the animation is just a Boolean flag, right? So if you go to this place object call, the animate is just a flag, right? I want to be able to, okay, let me put this together in my mind. So I want to be able to, I don't know why this is no longer working, by the way. Some things are broken. Some things are definitely broken. I want to be able to change the okay, let me just I want to extend the RGB to allow better animation control over placed objects. Right now there is only animate flag, which is a rotate. Okay, let's see if this is working. By the way, let's run the draw demo. Things are sometimes okay, this is still broken for some reason. That's not great, actually. Absolute path is outside of asset root. Am I... Wait, what? It's okay, maybe I should fix that first. But you already have 1K, like I told you earlier, you can claim it here. Hello, welcome. So, I don't know, it seems very broken right now for some reason. So, wait, what was the absolute path is outside the asset root. Okay, let's, absolute path. It's from the model. So wait, so we're trying to load it from, where's the asset root? Where's that? Okay, I'm trying to like debug two things at the same time right now. The costs of running the terminal. The costs of running the terminal is just a lot of melted cheese, by the way. If I can buy like a lot of melted cheese with that token, and if it's easy to claim it, I would I would take it. Guys, please stop with the token stuff in the chat. Just DM me that link or whatever. Just don't bring that to the live stream. Thank you. I just want to buy a lot of melted cheese, by the way. If that token is real, I'm gonna just buy a lot of melted cheese. Okay, where can I DM you then? Just Discord maybe? Or Twitter? Dude, there's like literally 1,000 links in the description. You can buy a whole truck. I can buy a whole truck of melted cheese. Okay, that's actually very intriguing. But okay, just DM me. There's like a lot of links in the description. I have my email address, man. Okay, maybe I should be running this from the... Oh man, there's like no... I want to run it from this directory, alacrity. I cannot even type alacrity. Okay, there's a working directory. I need this argument first of all. Okay. Oh. So working directory. While running the... That's not good. That's not good at all. While running the draw demo, I get failed to load RGP object absolute path is outside. The clipboard is broken, by the way. Also, any idea why? The clipboard is broken. By the way, did anyone try out Ratty yet? Because something that is just a little bit concerning to me is I get a lot of positive feedback and that's awesome, but I didn't get like many screenshots, which kind of was an interesting thing to see because I was expecting people to at least share their setups, but I didn't really get that. So I'm not sure if anyone has tried it or they just liked it and just started a project and that's it. I would love to see different like cursors and stuff like that, you know. But so far that didn't happen. Use workspace root dynamically. Revert. Okay, I'm gonna actually revert that change. Revert that commit because I remember I changed it like that and now it's broken. Oh, I need to allow better animation control, and that's one thing. And also I want to I want to be able to, yeah, I want to update the demos based on this as well. I don't remember what that change was about actually. Okay, where's my other terminal? Okay, good thing about Ratty is you can actually just use your terminal as usual, but at the same time you can just like, you know, you can just use it like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, how do I type in here? Just stop. Oh, it's so broken. It's so broken. Guys, 1 second. Okay, guys, the problem with or the difficulty of it with developing a terminal emulator is that things are broken most of the time, and we're just now seeing that. I think it's because of the pin entry. Just kill that. Okay, wait, stop. Oh my god, it's still trying to like read my password. Just stop, okay, just stop. Pin entry. One question is, how do you do that? Looks like magic. Thanks to Bevy, we're able to do this. And yeah, it's just like, you know, having a terminal, like a 3D image of the terminal, and putting that into a plane, and then you kind of animate it. Things are broken most of the time. Story of my life. Brother. I'm gonna pin that message. Okay, so what the hell is going on? Okay, git revert, continue. Also, one other problem with this rat cursor is that you sometimes don't see where you are at, if you know what I mean. Like, am I on this line or on the next line? You know, it's kind of confusing sometimes. But anyways, so now it should be, the demo should work just fine, I think. Let's try draw. Yeah, now it's working. Cool. And you can do this thing, you know, and like it just like, I don't know, it's so fun. Like it stays in place, you know. It's like, what the fuck, right? God damn, dude. Okay, so we're gonna code like this from now on, and if you cannot read the code, that's your issue. That's not my issue, but I can write code. I can write Rust perfectly fine like this, okay? So yeah, guys, this is my new editor. This is my new editor. So yeah, let's go on and just code like this. And if you're new to the stream, this is this is programming in 3026. This is programming in 3026, all right? So okay, what am I gonna do? Okay, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Okay, so which is not enough. I want to be able to rotate the object how I want, etc. Give me a plan for extending the protocol. All right, let's extend the protocol. This is how AI sees the code. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's switch to a new branch, by the way. Feed, better RGB anim. I tried 5.5 and it felt so good so far. Placement transforms. Make P and a new U verb. Okay, register. Oh, P for PX, P. Okay, rotation, pivot. Okay. Add an explicit rotation scale offset fields to P. So P is right now place, right? Where's the verb? Place object. How about we don't change the P and we just have like a new U like update verb. Yeah, let's have the update one. Or maybe A for animate. Because A might be actually better. Animation, rotate. Rotation, scale, animation. Yeah, let's not break V1. Yes, update. We could not touch P actually. Yes, update P like that and add U verb. Don't break V1. Minimal updates. Idiomatic Rust API. Okay, now it's gonna be somewhat promising, I think. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Should we bump the version actually? Do I mention the version here? No. Oh, protocol version. Okay. Protocol version. I just, you know, I guys, I'm just gonna do this for fun. From time to time, I might just like trigger this because it's just. Actually, I haven't tried. Oh. I haven't tried the Mobius strip plus the warp mode, so that could be interesting. By the way, somebody said I should have like the hex code representations in the background. That could be also interesting. So yeah, like I said, just to reiterate why am I working on this? Because I want to give applications more control over what they want to render and how they want to place the objects. So there's this game that was built with Ratty, and it places a rat in the terminal. We can actually play it right now, dude. We can just play it right now. Ratty runner. I don't know why it's not rendering the rat, by the way. Okay. Oh, it's because I'm in Zellige. Oops. Dude, just let me run this. Okay, so there's also the sound component too, but the problem with this game is that it's not a problem, but you know, we could like, I think the latest version, the rat is facing at the right direction, but you know, you cannot change the rotation or the animation, or I don't know, like other animation components of the rat if you're building a application using Ratty. But yeah, like it is always facing this direction, because right now there's this limitation in the protocol. So we're trying to fix that right now. Okay. Update verb. It didn't update the protocol document though. It's not great. Offset rotation scale. Okay. It's not updating the protocol yet. Okay, there you go. The protocol update is here. Updates object. So now we are also sending whether we support the update verb. When you try to query the Ratty graphics protocol, the terminal sends U1 or update 1 if it supports updating the position. So yeah, okay, translation offset. Okay, that's actually fine. Delete, update and delete. Protocol version 2. Okay, since when we have protocol version 2? Actually, no. Don't bump the protocol version, because it's not, it ain't breaking. Sorry guys, it's a tick, okay? Sometimes I just randomly randomly switch to the Mobius strip mode, okay? It's a tick. It happens sometimes. transform. Protocol version, transform one. Non-breaking extension. We don't have to mention that. Okay, cool. Okay, now update the big rat demo to add key bindings for testing this. Okay, let's actually run the terminal and just check whether if things are still working, you know, because I don't want to break it. Actually, I'm not sure if we should add like key bindings. We can instead just use the mouse events to rotate it and so on, I think. Okay, let's see the draw. Big rat. You might want to change the install command for rustlang to sudo pacman as Ratty. Yeah, it's a good point. Do you want to send a PR? PR welcome. PR welcome. Okay, this just works like as usual. Oh wait, did it already added the key bindings? Yeah, rotate 1, 2. Oh, okay. So you can rotate. Oh wow. Okay. Guys, so this gives us like more control over the rotation of the object. As you can see, like I can rotate it and change the offset of the offset of the wait, what did it just disappear? Offset from the center, if I'm not mistaken. Why did it disappear? Oh wow. Okay. Offset from the, oh my god, what is, okay, wrong key binding. Animate. Okay, that's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, so going for a walk now. I did it after staring at the screen all this morning. See you soon. See you, man. Take care. Enjoy the walk. Wait, so transform related changes. There's your graphic settings. What are those offsets though? Wait, I'm just kind of confused. Offset. Okay, let me ask this question. Are HKL keys are changing the offset from the center or something? Okay, got it. then remove those key bindings from the demo. They seem very specific. Do I already have the graphics settings thing? Ratatui, Ratty. Graphic settings. Yeah, I already have it. Okay. And there's also already an update method. Oh no, okay. I think we added that just now. Right. Update sequence. Okay, cool. That makes sense. That's clean. That's clean. Let's run the demo again. Okay, there you go. So you can basically just rotate the rat however you want now, which is a groundbreaking update, guys. Come on. Who doesn't want to like rotate their oversized rat in the terminal? Come on, dude. Hell yeah. Clip this. It's just like, I don't know, like, guys, come on. Okay, that's pretty good actually. I like it. I like it. That is pretty good. Okay, so another update. Add a key binding to draw to toggle animation via pressing A, and then support rotating the drawn object via mouse. Hold left mouse button and just to rotate, etc. Yeah, that's gonna be so sick now. That is gonna be so sick now. Thanks for the sponsorship, by the way. I really appreciate it. Francisco, thanks a lot. I just saw that in my inbox. Okay, let's have a look, see. All right, so what happened? Rotate position. On preview mouse. It's kind of, I don't like this implementation that much, to be honest. Let's run and see it for ourselves. Okay, first of all, okay, now it's working. I don't know why it doesn't work sometimes. So okay, we are drawing, animate, and oh my god, let's go, guys. that is really good. That is really good. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now I can do actual 3D design. This was the part that was missing. Okay. Oh wow, that's really good. I just like this. Okay, I just like how we're now able to do this in the terminal. I'm literally using the mouse. Oh wow. Okay, so let me clean this up a little bit. Click to rotate, right mouse. Animate. Okay, that's good. Hello, will Ratty support Windows? Yeah, maybe one day. Yes, there's an issue about this, and I mentioned the limitation there, so you can read that for more details. In a nutshell, it's a bit annoying to support Windows. Left mouse, draw, click, drag, rotate, erase. Okay. That is fine, I think. That works well. Local preview position. I don't get why local preview position function exists. Clean it up. Guys, my approach to AI assisted programming is I don't push the code that I don't understand myself. So you can make sure that if I'm committing something, I am fully in control of what the hell is going on in that. And that was my whole workflow when it comes to Ratty. I have been reading and I have been writing and just, you know, I've been present at all times during the development, okay? So yeah, you can just make sure of that. Okay, so we have implemented the animations. Give me conventional commits. I can probably write something myself. Hold on. Feed allow better control. Give me conventional commit. Will Ratty support shaders? Why not? Why not? Transform and update control. Allow better transform and update control for graphics. Allow transform. Support transform and control. Transform and update control for 3D objects. Okay, that's good. Hello, Sora Misha, how's it going? I'm planning to do a stream tomorrow. Hope I don't have too much to do and get around to do it. Dude, I have so many things to do today, but I was like, fuck it, I'm not gonna do those things. I'm just gonna live stream. So that's how it goes for me. This is not a suggestion, but just saying that sometimes you gotta reprioritize things, or just fucking ignore priorities. Don't do that though. That's kind of irresponsible. But you gotta be somewhat irresponsible to do certain things. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to sound like a reckless person, but I am. Just so fuck it. Okay, so just kidding. Plan your fucking day. That's all I'm gonna say. That's what I do. Plan. Just plan, and just don't do anything according to the plans. I hate planning. I don't. But I hate like really strict planning. Okay. So yeah, how can GHPR command have a select component? It's just the GitHub CLI. Exactly, planning is half the rent, as we say in German. Dude, I'm getting PTSD from my apartment search, if you're saying that. Not in a good position, because I still couldn't find a place to stay. But anyways, we just YOLOing this, okay? YOLO. YOLO, no worries. I've been trying to catch you up on one of your live streams, but your times never matches. Dude, that's totally on me. That's yeah, I just can't seem to be consistent when it comes to live streams. Things have been really hectic, so my internet died, but I should be back now. Sorry, I just dropped out for a second, but I should be back. I was just saying I am not really I am not super consistent with live streams, so that's probably why you couldn't catch me. Actually, I should try to catch you more than we could catch each other, but if yeah, I should be more like consistent with live streams. I don't know how it's gonna go when I'm in Berlin. It's gonna be a bit more interesting, I think. But okay, we're gonna figure it out, man. We're gonna figure it out. YOLO. Okay, so let me review my own PR now. We have an update command. All right, so we have an update. It's actually quite a self-contained change, which is something that I like. Okay, V1 compatibility. I don't want to mention those things. No worries, I used Ratatui for the first time in my company to make a TUI dashboard for our services. Surreal experience. Amazing, man. That's really good. V1 compatibility. I don't want to mention that. Okay. Remove V1 mention from RGP. Okay, that's deleted now. That seems fine. I mean, just gets the RGP operation update and then updates it based on what it gets. That's probably fine. Scale, offset. Okay, let me actually approach this as if I'm reviewing a PR. Okay, so I'm gonna view this. I wanted your feedback on a project that I've been working on. Like, whenever you can check it out, it's called Oxychrome, a Rust framework that lets you build browser extensions for Chrome. Oh damn, that sounds really cool. Would be super grateful if you can check that out sometime. Absolutely, man. Just drop me a link on Discord. I think we're friends on Discord and in real life. But drop me a link. That sounds super fucking cool, man. Okay, so this is the RGP implementation. Parse boolean. Okay, that's probably fine. Where do I actually use that? It's probably fine too. Systems. I should make sure that I didn't break anything with this. So let me run some commands. But I mean, so far it seems fine. At least the rat is still spinning. So we have a spinning rat and it's still spinning. Did you make Ratatouille? Yeah. You could say that. Or you could, yeah, like, yeah. I mean, at this point, I will just say yes. It's not like the original project is not mine, but Ratatouille is something that I have been a part of since the beginning. Let's say that. Let's put it that way. Ratatouille is a part of me. Ratatouille is I am Ratatouille, guys. I am Ratatouille. It's hard to own, like, you could say that you own a project, but it's open source, so you don't fully own it, you know. But I am Ratatouille. I am the rat, okay? I am the rat in the Ratatouille, okay? There you go. This is me. This is my alter ego. This is my alter ego, guys. This is my alter ego. I need a max win. Graphic settings. Why do I? That's a bit weird. Why do I? Ratatouille, Ratty. Graphic settings. New. Face of widget settings for an asset path. Why do I like provide this thing? Like, it's a bit weird, but I guess whatever. You buff dude, are you on test or TRT? I'm programmer too, I'm on testosterone. Bro, why are you on test? Come on, dude, come on. I'm not using steroids. Yet. No, dude, I'm not anything. But why are you on test? Are you just like doing it for fun? Dude, my mindset when it comes to steroids is I'm not gonna use steroids unless they have benefits for what I'm doing and not just for the bodybuilding aspect, you know what I'm saying? If they are gonna make my brain bigger, then I'm gonna use steroids. If they are gonna just boost my, I don't know, productivity, then I'm gonna use them. But right now I cannot make sure of that without, you know, like without risking my health. So that's not a, yeah, that's not a, yeah, doing that would be just a experiment on myself, and I am not risking my health to do that yet. Had low T, bro. Now I feel like Superman. Okay. That's great. It's kind of funny. Okay, I'm gonna actually just go ahead and merge this. I've been looking at this for a while and I don't see anything that is standing out. I think this is fine. Probably the formatting is fucked up though. No, okay. Send a link in Discord, DM. Optionally, you can just look up Oxychrome. Yeah, I've nailed the SEO. Okay, not CEO. God damn it, SEO on that one. Okay, got you. It's kind of respect on that one, bro. Why is Clippy failing now? What's wrong with Clippy? Is this a test? Document 3337. Document RS 337. What are you talking about? No idea what this thing is referring to be honest. Object placement should be just fine. It's a string. No. Oh, it's okay, it's a lint. Okay, I thought it was just some other thing, but anyways. Rat computer equals to a cop, or what do you mean, bro? Like, are you just calling the police on me because I'm using the computer as a rat, or what do you mean? What do you mean? Am I supposed to be scared? Okay, document. Let's check the document demo too. Okay, it seems like it's working. Guys, you want to see something cool? Boom. This will never get old, by the way. This will never get old. Okay, anyways. Okay. Refactor, fix, Clippy, lens, push. Okay, we have a better animation control now. And the Terry Davis rendering images in the terminal. That's cool. Dude, where do I get that sick rat cursor? Welcome to the live stream, first of all. And second of all, there you go. Everyone wants the rat cursor, man. Everyone wants monster rat cursor. It's so viral these days. I just sent a link to chat. Okay, so this one is probably done. So I will go ahead and merge that. And the next one that I want to work on is the inline payloads for RGP, which will make a lot of things possible. So with this update, you'll be able to send 3D assets. Is this DWM electricity? No, this is Ratty. This is Ratty plus i3. So with this inline payloads, you'll be able to basically say, hey, render this 3D object through SSH. So this is gonna be so cool because this will make it possible to basically SSH into, let's say, this service, late SH. Okay, this is a chat room through SSH, and you will be able to see okay, where am I right now? You'll be able to send 3D objects. So yeah, hey guys, currently on live stream. Where's the live stream link? Let me paste it here. You're totally right, a Ratatui book. So many are gonna buy it. Could be nice. Could be nice. Oops. Okay, this is the main chat room, right? Okay, this is the lounge. This is lounge. Okay. So basically, we'll be able to send, like, it's gonna change the game for many terminal apps, because we will be able to, fuck, I cannot speak. We will be able to just say something like, my tree is dead, goddamn. Yeah, it's gonna be able to build a lot of cool stuff. What are you streaming? Just working on so yeah, it's gonna be super cool. Let's merge this one because this is gonna be fine, I think. Support transfer update protocol. Yes, merge it. Yo, welcome to live stream. Ranglif. That's a cool username, bro. That's a cool username. Ranglif, you wanna see something cool, man? Okay, abort actually, what the hell? 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Where's git pull? Okay, you wanna see something cool, man? Check this out. Boom. Mobius strip from your terminal. Let's go. Also, you could do this in late SH2. Oh my god, dude. Okay, let's have late SH do this. Alright, and it's, you know what, it's still usable. You can still use it while it's doing this. So I can still send messages to the chat while we are in this mode. You know? Funny time to sit down for poker. So yeah, let's go ahead and work on this one. Time to work on this issue. Give me a plan first. It looks like he's streaming late. Yeah, I'm streaming you guys. I'm streaming. Yeah, let me just zoom in a little bit. Hi, chat. Yeah, let's read the chat like this. Oh, there's also the rat here. Okay, so what is the plan? Second registration mode. T. Okay, what's the kitty style? Direct. Transmission medium. Yeah, no behavior change for Pat. That's what I want. Parse T, parse M. Okay, let's update the not breaking the previous path based loading. Okay, I think I'm going to run now. Hope you see you again soon. Take care, man. Take care. Have fun. Okay, so let's see what has changed here. Inline asset registration is supported. Client sends this. Okay. Inline is a bit weird though. Inline as a name for this thing. Name. T equals D. Why do we do that? T equals D. PD is weird. That's not documented as well. Change it. Also calling this inline is a bit weird too. Okay, what did you change to? Payload 1, source payload. Source payload. Maybe do not add source, but read the base 64 payload if the pad does not exist. Okay. Payload 1, chunk 1. Okay, so hold on. Where's the path? What did I type? Okay, that's fine. I think that's looking fine. Okay. I'm just working on the protocol to simplify it a little bit, basically. RGP inline payloads. Extend the protocol for inline payloads. The protocol is updated. Oops, stop. The protocol is updated. Now update the implementation to idiomatic, self-contained, minimal changes. Okay, but low-key, the rat curse is growing on me. Of course, man. Of course. It's great. I mean, in this live stream for almost like 1.5 hours, I've been using the rat cursor, and it's just like, it's great, man. It's great. I can use the terminal as if I'm using the terminal before. Like, it's like any other traditional terminal, but I can do things like this, and I have a rat cursor, so why not use this? You know what I'm saying? It's so good. Base 64 engine. Okay, it's gonna get a little bit messy. All right, let's check. Pending RGP payloads. I'm confused. Is Ratty something similar to Ghosty, for instance? No, it's not. You can read more about it here on this blog post. It's not like, okay, it's a terminal emulator, but it's not working like a terminal emulator in the background. Okay, I mean, seems like it's doing some things. Less helper functions if possible. Also, after these, I need to create a new release, by the way. Gotta create a new release. Probably today. In line with text. Interesting one. Actually, the match arm for RGP register source payload could be a helper function, not gonna lie. Also, I need to think about how to basically add a example for this. Add comments to functions. How can I add an example for... Oh no, it's just adding comments to all the functions. Oops. Only the functions added in here. Also, let's try to run this as well, because if I broke the path-based registration of objects, that's not good. You know what I'm saying? Come on, come on. Okay, it seems like it's working. Oh, maybe I can change the draw demo to use inline payload. That could be nice. Instead of just saving to the file system. That's a good use case. Why did you add a comment to parse bool, man? I mean, RGPRS, parse bool. Okay, inline RS, let's go there. Use inline payloads in draw RS. Update the widget code as well if necessary. Probably gonna need to update that one too. RGP register source, okay. Base 64, of course. Dependencies. Wait, is that an up-to-date dependency? Like maintained is what I meant. Let's see if this is maintained. Kinda seems like it. Register payload. Okay, cool. I mean, it seems fine. Add logging. Okay, do I log the loading log info warn orienting warn info? Okay, we are actually logging that, that's fine. Okay, we now use register payload. Cool, let's try to run it. The way Ratty essentially works is that it gets powered by rats on a VL. It's a simple but effective. That's actually true. That's actually true. You know, every time you run a command, the command is sent to a data center, and in the data center, wait, what happened to my video? The command gets sent to a data center, and in the data center there are rats, and the rats are on a wheel, so your command is processed by the electricity that is generated from that wheel, and then your command, your output gets sent back to your terminal. So you effectively, there's this pipeline. in the background, just saying. Does the cat command work in this terminal or does it crash? Don't ever try it. There's an issue about this. Check it out. Okay, let's try it. Let's see if it's gonna work. Oh wow, okay. Seems like it is working. The payload. That's nice. It's a bit slow though. I don't know why. It seems a bit slow. Let me run it in release mode. Also need to run the terminal in release mode as well, probably. Oh man, it's taking forever. Okay, now it's way faster. Cool. Do I need to give this a name? It's a bit weird. Hey, Orhun, great project. As a web developer, I must impose my opinion on you. Why don't you also release it wasn't built so that I can run this inside Electron? It's the best thing since sliced bread. Bro, you crack me up. I mean, why not, right? You're right. Yes, just send me an issue about this. I will do my best. God damn. But why do you want to do that though? It's already running in a window. Why do you want to run it in Electron? You want to make it like a web app from this or what? Payload name. Any breaking changes in the widget API. I was thinking to make the path name optional, but I guess that would be breaking. Yeah, Ratty graphic register bytes would be better, I think. So right now, bytes. Yeah, first creating the. Yeah, first creating the register graphic with a path name name and then calling register payload with a pad name again is a bit too much. Yes, do that. No breaking changes. Alright, that should be it. Register payload sequences. Instead of named, use with name convention. Yes. Also, it's a bit slow. Also, the draw demo is a bit slower. Any idea? Can you add logging while the chunks are being sent loaded? Any idea how to make it faster? Let's see the chunks. Let's see how it's sending stuff. Okay. Print line. It's not great. Seriously though, great project, love it, love your talk, especially part you referenced Turbo Vision. I learned programming on Turbo C++. Download it again for some nostalgia. It truly was ahead of its time. Absolutely, man. Like Turbo Vision, love that shit, man. It's so good. Thank you for the kind words about the project. I hope it's gonna get better over time and we're gonna see more applications built on top of Ratty. But yeah, I'll keep working on it. It's just a fun project. Okay, that's probably fine. Let's actually run it in release mode and see if it's gonna affect the performance. I think it's gonna affect the performance because, I mean, it's the way that it's gonna affect everything, how everything is being run, so we can probably make it better by just running in the release mode. Let's check. In the meantime, I'm gonna just commit this. Implement inline payloads. Give me a short GitHub PR description for this. Save it to PRMD. Just gonna copy it from there actually. Closes this one. Okay, what's the commit message? Inline payloads. Support inline payloads. Closes this issue 37. Make it only about the also give an example pipeline and API usage. This is useful if you want to load objects from base 64 encoded strings instead of files. Example in Rust. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, I'm gonna check the terminal in release mode now. How did you master Neovim and Rust? Any advice? I'm starting my journey from chef to IT stuff. I don't really like DevOps stuff. I'd like to meet you if you come to Copenhagen. Yeah, maybe I will be there. Would love to meet up. How did I master Neovim and Rust? It's just like spending time with them, man. Like there isn't a magic trick. You just gotta practice and, you know, write code. Although nowadays you just kind of write prompts more than code, but you know, just spend time and I don't know, configure, have fun. If there's any like specific questions, I can answer them for you. But yeah, for now I can just say just YOLO, you know, build stuff. Is your Neovim config online somewhere? Yeah, it's in here. Are you doing any hand coding nowadays or mainly prompting? It's a mix of two, I think. I think this is mostly fine, by the way. Let me have a read again. I mean, I already checked the protocol file, so that's reviewed. Thanks, bro. I really enjoy your stream and your determination. Thanks. Sanitizing it. What is this candidate thing? What is this doing? Oh, okay, asset path. Okay. add a comment about this. I could cook you real ratatouille. My specialty is French cuisine. We could do we can do like a live stream together and just cook ratatouille together, man. That would be so sick. Add comment about asset glb asset loading. That's a bit weird though, like why is it saving that to there? I mean, it's a bit bad. Should we note that in the RGP document too? Obj and glib is supported, but first needs to be saved, etc. Gotta go pick up the kids. Take care, man. Thanks for joining the live stream. Okay. Where did it add the note? Okay, whatever. I think I'm gonna YOLO this, guys. Like, it should be fine. But yeah, guys, that's it for today, I think. We hit the 2 hours mark, so gotta go. But thanks for joining the live stream. This was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Just a very like spontaneous middle of the day live stream. Yeah, I guess check out Ratty, check out Ratatui, check out all the other rat projects that I have. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'm out. See you on the next one. Take care.